Hello dear children, how are you? Children, today we are going to study our novel Mowgli, written by Rudyard Kipling. Children, before starting the chapter, let me give you a brief introduction about Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was a British poet, short story writer and novelist. He was born in Bombay, India in 1865. At the age of 6, he went to England. He wrote the Jungle Book in 1894 and the second Jungle Book in 1895. His tales of Mowgli are the most famous of these stories about the Indian jungle. So, children, these are the characters of our novel Mowgli the Jungle Boy, Bagheera, Kaa, Baloo, Mesua, Mesua's husband, Grey Brother, Akela, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf and Sher Khan. Yes, we will begin the chapter. Chapter 1, The Man Cub. It was 7 o'clock one warm evening in the jungle. What was the time? 7 o'clock. Father Wolf woke up in his cave and stretched sleepily in the moonlight. Stretch means straighten the body. Mother Wolf lay nearby with her 4 sweet little cubs. Now, Father Wolf is there, Mother Wolf, and with their 4 sweet little cubs. Suddenly they heard Sher Khan, the old tiger. Who was Sher Khan? The old tiger who lived near the river 20 miles away. He was roaring angrily. Sher Khan had a bad leg. Bad leg means, children, his leg was injured. So he usually hunted only cows near the village. Now Sher Khan, the old tiger, he had bad leg. Due to this, he hunted only cows near the village. Because they ran slowly. What was the reason of hunting the cows? They ran slowly. But this night was different. He was noisy and hungry for something else. Mother Wolf knew what. He is hunting a man tonight. Now he was noisy. Sher Khan was noisy and Mother Wolf knew what was the reason behind this. He is hunting a man tonight. Father Wolf was not happy. The law of the jungle says an animal can kill or eat man only when teaching its children. When Mother Wolf said that today Sher Khan is going to hunt a man, to kill a man, Father Wolf was not happy. Why? Because he said the law of jungle. What was the law of jungle? That an animal can kill or eat man when teaching its children. There were many such laws in the jungle. All the animals followed them because they knew that there was always a good reason for these laws. Now, children, this was one law that no animal can kill or eat a man unless they are teaching its children. And there were other laws in the jungle and all the animals followed them because they knew they must be made for a good reason, for good purpose. So they all followed those laws. Sher Khan's roar grew louder, ending in a short, terrible cry. Mother Wolf knew what that meant. Now we know that Sher Khan, the tiger, he was roaring loudly, but that roar ended in the short, terrible terror cry. And Mother Wolf knew what was the reason. He is missed. But wait, something coming up the hill. Get ready. Now, she knew that he missed his target. He couldn't hunt, but something was coming up the hill. She said, get ready. The leaves moved moved and the wolves heard a small noise near the cave. Father Wolf was ready to jump at any enemy, but then he saw a little brown baby walk out of the trees. The baby looked up into Father Wolf's face and laughed. Now they thought something is coming towards their cave, so they were ready, and Father Wolf was ready to jump at any enemy. But what he saw then? He saw a small baby walk out of the trees. So the baby looked up into Father's wolf face and laughed. A man's cub? Look! Mother Wolf looked in wonder at the baby. Is that a human baby? I have never seen one before. Bring it here. Now they were astonished, they were surprised to see a man's child. They have never seen a child before. Father Wolf carefully picked up the baby in his mouth and put it down next to his own cubs. How little, yet how brave, said Mother Wolf softly. Now wolves were astonished, they were surprised to see a child. The Mother Wolf said softly, the child is very small but brave. She watched the baby push its way in beside the other cubs and begin to eat with them. Now, what did the child begin to do? He pushed the other cubs and he began to eat with them. Suddenly, Sher Khan's huge scare had filled the mouth of the cave. What brings you here, Sher Khan? Father Wolf's words were polite, but his eyes were angry. All of a sudden, what they saw? They saw Sher Khan and he was peeping through their cave. So Father Wolf said politely, but his eyes were angry. What brings you here, Sher Khan? A human baby went this way. Give it to me, the hungry tiger roared. What the tiger said? A human baby went this way, so I want that baby, give it to me. The wolves are free and take orders only from the head of the pack. Sher Khan ordered the wolves to give back the baby. The wolves are free and take orders only from the head of the pack. Now, what was the return? What answer they gave? The wolves said they are free and they take orders only from the head of the pack. Pack means the group of wolves. Together we say pack. Sher Khan roared more loudly and Mother Wolf jumped forward, her eyes shining like two bright green moons. Now when Sher Khan started roaring loudly, Mother Wolf, she was very angry. She jumped forward. The baby is ours. He will not be killed. He will live to run with the pack and hunt with the pack. And in the end, he will hunt you. Now go. She was so angry. She shouted at Sher Khan and said, the baby is ours. You cannot kill the baby. The baby will live with us. The baby will hunt with the pack. And one day he is going to kill you. Father Wolf was surprised. He forgot how she was when they first met. Father Wolf was very surprised seeing Mother Wolf. Like all she-wolves, she was terrifying and dangerous when she was angry. Sher Khan understood too and backed out. Backed out means to withdraw of the cave, still hungry and growling. Growling means making a low guttural sound in the throat. The pack must decide. What they say? The pack must decide. What the decision they have to take? With whom the baby will live. When they were alone, Mother Wolf laid herself over her cubs and Father Wolf spoke to her seriously. Sher Khan is right. We must present the baby to the pack. Do you think they will let us keep him, Mother? No, when Sher Khan went away, Father Wolf talked to Mother Wolf. कि शेर खान was right. We should present the baby to the pack. What do you think, mother? Uh, the pack is going to allow us to keep the baby with us? Father, he came by night, alone and hungry, yet he was not afraid. We must keep him. What was the reply of the mother wolf? She said, it was night when small baby came to us. He was alone and hungry, but he was not afraid. So it is our duty to keep him with us. So, dear children, today we are going to study this much. You revise the chapter, go through it, and rest of the chapter we will study in our next video.